everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's our LeetCode daily challenge problem is minimum number of pushes to type word second. Okay, so basically you are given a string word containing lowercase English letters and telephone keypad have keys mapped with distinct collection of lowercase English letters, which can be used to form words by pushing them. Okay, so like here you are given a keypad, okay, and each letter from 2 to 9 is mapped with all the English characters, right, from A to Z, right. For example, the key 2 is mapped with ABC, right? Here, like the second key is mapped with ABC, right? And if you need to type A, you have to push 2 one time, okay? This key one time, right? If you need to type B, then what you will do? You will push this particular second key 2 times, okay? And if C, you will push the key 3 times, okay? Now, you are allowed to remap the key number from 2 to 9 to distinct collection of letters, right? Like this is the standard method. You can rearrange these particular characters and map it to any of the keys by any order like you want, okay? The keys can be remapped to any amount of letters, but each letter must be mapped to exactly one key, right? Basically, so A cannot be mapped to 2 and 5, okay, it can be mapped to only one letter of this particular keypad, okay. Now you need to find the minimum number of times the key will be pushed to type the string word, okay. So basically you are given the string word, okay. Now you have to type that word from this keypad, and you have to type, basically you have to rearrange all the characters in such a way that when you type you have to push the keys as minimum time as possible, okay. Now, so basically if you see this A, B, C, D, E, right? Now I have to click for A, I have to click one time, that is 2, okay, okay. For B, I have to click 3 one time. For C, I have to click this 4 one time, okay. For D, I have to click this 5 one time, okay, in this particular way. Now, suppose like A, B, C, D, if the string was A, B, C, D, E, F, E, and sorry, A, B, C, D, E, P, T, W, right? Then this will come in this particular way. Now, how will I find a method to arrange these particular letters in such a way that always I have to push the key minimum times. Okay, so what I will do is, firstly, I will traverse this particular word string. Okay, I will take one unordered map of character and end type, and basically I will check the frequency of each character, like how many times that particular letter is coming. Okay, like in this case, XYZ, 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 and XYZ. Each letter is coming 4 times, right? X is coming 4 times, Y is coming 4 times, Z is coming 4 times, right? So here I will do that. Okay, now what I will do is I will make one vector of pair type of int and char, and what I will do, I will push all the values of this map into this vector, right? And here I have taken the map of character and int type. Now I will take it of int and character type so that the frequency comes first and the character comes afterwards. So basically our vector would look like 4 and x, right? Because x frequency was 4. So now it is reverse it vector. So 4x, right? 4y and 4z. Okay. Okay. These are the three values that would be in our vector. Now I will sort it in descending order. See here the frequency is same, so nothing will happen. Basically, all are having the 4 frequency. Now assume that x was coming 4 times, y was coming 3 times, and z was coming 2 times, right? Then if I sort it in decreasing order, then how it would look like 3x, right? 2y and 1z, right? It would look like this. Okay. Now I will basically clear my map because I am using the same map. If you want to use another map, you can do that, right? And basically just to check whether I have cleared the map values or not. Now what I will do is from I to till v dot size. Okay. I will check if, like, see, our keys are from 2 to 8th index. Okay, so I will check from I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, from basically if I index value is less than 9, right? So basically 1 to 8 keys. Okay, so 1 is not counted here, from 2 to 8 keys. Right, first I will map all the values that have the highest frequency, right, at the first place. Okay, so basically suppose X is having a frequency 10, then X will come first, right? Then suppose Y is having the frequency 9, so Y will come here. Then Z is having 8, so Z come here. I'm taking just an example, right? F is having 7 frequency, then 7 F will come here. Suppose G is also having 7, then G will come here only, because descending order they are equal, so nothing will happen. H is having 6 frequency, so H has come here. I is having a frequency of 5, so I has come here. Then what will happen? Now if the from I to 7, that means if we have filled all the 8 characters, okay, if the suppose our vector is having, like, how many characters are there? 26 characters are there, right? If our characters are 8 only, then we have mapped each suppose our character total number of characters were 8, then we will map each to each one of these keys, right? So that I have to press only one time each key. Got it? And suppose if the our characters are greater than 8, right, greater than 8, then we have mapped one time, right? Now I have to again map it. So basically I will map C here, right? So suppose C is coming 3 times, so I have map here, right? So basically for C you have to press 2 times. So now you have got it, because X is having the maximum frequency, right? So X is having the frequency, suppose 10, and C is having the frequency 5, right? If I write C here and X here, then what will happen? For C I have to press 5 times, right? And for X I have to press how many times? 5 times, but X would be multiplied by 2, right? That's why. So the output would be 5 plus 20, right? And if X comes before C, the output will be 10 into 1 plus 5 into 2. That is 20. Okay. That was only the case. So hope you have understood this concept. Okay. And right, so basically for first 8 characters, right, like 8 keys for first 8 keys, this is this is the case, right? And suppose if the keys are greater than 8, then how many times? For the second index I will do here, right, for the 2. So basically 8 plus 8 would be 16, right? So basically if number are greater than 16, means if characters are greater than 16, then till 24, because 8 plus 8 plus 8 would be 24, right? So I will make the frequency 3, right? Because I have to press 3 times, okay? And otherwise for the 25 and 26 character, that means A to Z, all the characters are coming. So the last 2 characters, that is of minimum frequency, basically will be pushed 4 times, okay? And now what I will do is I will simply traverse the string, right? And I will basically count. I have taken one count variable and I will increment by m of word of I, right? Because we have mapped every value here. Okay, hope you have understood. So if I run it, okay, some network issue. Yeah, the quotation. Yes, it is accepted. And if I submit it, yes, it is submitted. Okay, so hope you have understood the problem, guys. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.